Welcome to Freedom Culture. Here at the Freedom Culture, I like to discuss current events in the financial sector, this new digital economy, and also breaking down blockchain technology in the most understandable terms possible. Today, I just want to share my overall perspective, my macro perspective about these digital assets such as XRP, Bitcoin, XLM, Algo, Ethereum, all the heavy hitters. You know what I'm saying? Algo, not so much. XRP, not so much of a heavy hitter, but very popular. And that's why I find it so interesting. This coin, XRP, I know I talk about it a lot, but I still feel like it's underrated. Despite it being the number 4 top cryptocurrencies, and nobody has ever got paid significantly off of XRP. Now, you could get paid off of XRP doing some trades and whatever, but it's never reached its potential in price. Now, the fundamentals of it is there. You know, this coin, XRP, is probably the biggest innovation since the light switch. And I don't feel too crazy to say that. It has the ability to move liquidity fast, move money really fast. It's going to solve world problems. And right now we're dealing with a liquidity crisis. We're dealing with all kinds of crises. You hear about it all the time on my channel, you know? So the latest take about XRP, Ripple forming their own stablecoin, and XRP will be involved. It almost seems as if I'm going through the research as I record a lot of times, and it almost seems like the world's value is going to be on the XRP payment rails. You know what I'm saying? It's just the rail. You feel me? The rail is what makes everything so fast. The Bitcoin, not so much. I mean, when you compare these assets, I'm not sure if I'm just tripping, but if you ask Ethereum user what has been their experience with using the Ethereum blockchain, they're going to admit some type of gas fees. They're going to admit some type of delay, some type of something not so great. You know, very popular project. A lot of projects are here now because of Ethereum, so much respect. But when you talk to a Bitcoin enthusiast and ask them how their experience has been, it's more like, to me, it's really cultic. It's kind of like a cult, like Bitcoin good, regardless, Bitcoin good. To me, I feel like the fundamentals, the fundamental story of Bitcoin is similar to Santa Claus. You know what I'm saying? Just a guy, he wanted to do good for the people, and he's hiding somewhere. He just, you know, comes out every minute, I don't know, every bull run, and gets people paid. So the Bitcoin experience isn't too well too. I mean, it's very slow. It's slow and it's expensive as well. And XRP is actually on the XRP ledger, and it's fast, and it's no fees. There's little to no fees. And my logic also stems from the network, the amount of people involved in XRP and the government. So yeah, there's going to be a big change, something epic that's going to force XRP to be utilized, and a lot of its nature when it comes to the charts, when it comes to the charting, yeah, the charts, it's not exciting, it doesn't get your heart pumping and stuff like that, but that's actually a good thing. You know, I actually treat my XRP bag as a savings account. You know what I'm saying? It's better than the savings account, the commercial savings account today. So it actually shows its stability, and it's showing banks its stability. You know, it's showing that it could be stable, and then out of nowhere, boom, it just pops up. You know, so it's kind of like a trick to me. It's like kind of like to distract the degenerates to because it's not exciting, and then out of nowhere, it just shoots up to another level. And it's gonna keep on doing that until it's unaffordable. In my opinion, I'm a bullish. I'm a XRP bull, and for it to be so long holding this token, and my financial condition, I am not rich, I am not wealthy. For me to still hold on to this thing shows how much I believe in it. You know what I'm saying? I am the most regularist guy that you probably know of. That you probably know. You got more money than I do. You know what I'm saying? You probably got more money than I do. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna ask you, you know, in the description if I could borrow $1. Let me hold 5. I just need 5. You know what I'm saying? So I can go ahead and get me something to eat. Second line. I'm playing with you, but all jokes aside, this is the future, and I'm trying my best to wake people up and tell people to get involved in digital assets or whatever. If you can't afford gold, then get involved in digital assets. You know what I'm saying? If you can't afford gold, get involved in digital assets. Digital assets to get rich, gold to stay wealthy. You know? And, you know, it's like it falls on deaf ears. But you know, that's all I'm going to say. I'm going to leave this on a short note. Yeah, the Freedom Culture, the channel is all about development, prospering in this new digital age. You know what I'm saying? They do not care about us, man. They don't care about us. They're telling people to still go to school, still take out loans for college loans for school, still take out mortgages, still, you know, the school's outdated. None of these jobs is going to get you the job that's going to keep up with inflation. And the mortgages, you're getting bought out right now. BlackRock is buying all of the homes. Look, y'all think I'm capping. You will own nothing and be happy, and they're trying every day. This is not a conspiratorial channel. I try my best to keep it out of that, but it's not conspiracy. It is what it is. It's all in the book. You know, they're telling you what they're gonna do. What the f***? Like, why would you, you know, come on, like, why would you think that it's something else? You think it's being misinterpreted? You're gonna speak for the man? You're gonna speak for the people at Davos and shit like that? You think it's being misinterpreted? They're telling you what they want to do to you. You know, you will own nothing and be happy. So you gotta get out of that. I'm compassionate about getting people out of that old mindset and get in with the new to save themselves. You feel me? But once again, this is Freedom at the Freedom Culture. Just tapping in. Yeah, hit me up. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace, love, and respect. Oh, we got the crypto bull in here. The bull over here chilling. That bullshit. Might as well take a little video with the bull, right? Extremely bullish. Miami is extremely bullish. Right there. Get at me. Peace, love, respect. Freedom Culture.